English essay. A visit to a market. Yesterday morning, I went to the market with my mother. It was a crowded place. There were vegetable vendors with their carts. They were crying out the prices of the vegetables and fruits. There were hawkers selling things like crockery, plastics, and toys. A cobbler had set up his small stall in a corner of the market. There were shops selling household things like kitchen utensils and buckets. There were grocery shops, stationery shops, clothes shops, and shops selling sweets. It was very difficult to walk in the market. There was a traffic jam because of the overcrowded road. The beggars harassed the people. Some cows were sitting in the middle of the road. There was noise and chaos everywhere. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.